Welcome to the quiz show game. We're using the circuit playground, and on the circuit playground, we're going to use the right-hand button right there and the left-hand button right over there. And that's input into the game. And in the game asks you questions. And this is a two-person game. And so the first person to click on their button gets the chance to answer that question. So here we go. I'm playing with my lovely wife, Desiree. Desiree, you want to say hello?
Hi.
All right, here we go. So I'm going to press run. So there's instructions on the screen, and here we go, running the game. There it's running. And I have to click start and reset for the thing to actually start, and then it gives you 3 seconds to get ready and find the button. So here we go. Okay, where was the first UIC campus? I know this one. Gives you 5 seconds. Navy Pier. Good. So now I click right. Once I do that, it right away puts up the next question and it restarts. So here we go. Which Central American country has English as its official language? What is it?
Belize.
Wow, look at you. Okay, so then the score goes back that way. Which Scandinavian country uses daughter and son as last name suffixes?
Iceland.
Oh, you have to click your button.
Oh. Iceland.
Oh, look at you. Okay. So where was the first UIC campus? So it randomly chooses questions. And in this case, do you remember what that was?
Navy Pier.
Oh, look at that. So you get another point. So nothing amazing happens when it reaches the end of those. That's the game. So I suppose that maybe that could be extra credit or something. Enjoy.